Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to protect or unprotect all worksheets with the help of VBA. Very quickly moving on my screen, as you can see I have already created two buttons, one for protect and one for unprotect. I'll now open the VBA editor. Right, so I've already given a name of protect all worksheets. So we'll start with the code. So first we have to define variable for the password input that we are going to use here, because we will be creating a input box for the password. So I've given the variable name as input for password. You can give any name, right? And I'll create a input box and the title I'll add as enter worksheet password, right? After that, we will create a loop of worksheets because we want this macro to work for all worksheets. So for each worksheet, in active workbook dot worksheets, worksheet dot protect, after that space and then password semicolon is equal to, and I'll use the variable that I created above, input for password. If you are creating any other variable here, so you will have to enter that here. After that, we will go to next worksheet. So this is how this macro will check all the worksheets and protect them with the password that we will give in the input box, right? Let me first show you that my worksheet is not logged right now. I can write anything anywhere or delete it, or I can just show you the next worksheet also. Okay, as you saw, my worksheets are not protected right now. I'll go ahead and assign a macro button to protect all worksheets to this button. Okay, once this is done, we will go to the by this button and click here. So as you can see now, this is asking for password. I'll write 1234 for example. You can write any password which no one can guess. So as you can see, now all the worksheets are protected. So if I try to write anything on this one or the next one, it doesn't allow, right? So this was very simple. We will move to the next macro code, which is to unprotect. So we'll change the name to unprotect, and the only other change that you need to do is worksheet.unprotect instead of protect. Rest things can remain same. Now, since this worksheet is protected, I won't be able to assign macro to this button. So I'll run the code from here by pressing F8. Right, so it is asking for the password and I entered 1234 to protect them. So the same I will have to enter to unprotect them. Now, as you can see, the macro has completed and I can again write anything in any of the sheets, right? So as you saw, these are very simple codes but very helpful when you are sharing the file with a larger group or you are sending it to some of your colleagues whom you don't want to modify anything. So this way your worksheets will be protected and anyone won't be able to change them without knowing the password. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and please share this video with others, your friends, family members. They can also learn these amazing things. And please subscribe to my channel because I'm going to share more wonderful things. So stay tuned. Thank you very much.